We're tracking the latest developments tonight on the social host trial of a former local school committee woman.
Today marked the fourth day of testimony in the case of Terry Serra. She's accused of hosting an underage drinking party last year, which resulted in a serious crash that injured 4 teenagers.
Eyewitness News reporter Neka Nwosu joins us live from Washington County District Court with tonight's top local story.
It was day 4 of the Terry Serra trial, and the focus today was on whether or not Serra failed to help those teens after they crashed.
Mr. Mann, what do you need to say about the conflicting statements from those teens?
Terry Serra's father blasts the radio, trying to drown out the sound of reporters as his daughter leaves court. Terry Serra faces 2 misdemeanor charges of violating the state's social host law and failure to render aid. 2 teens and a police officer testified in Washington County District Court Thursday. One teen who was not in the car but saw the accident says he immediately called his father when he saw the mangled mess. The second teen on the stand said he was in the car when it crashed. Both he and the officer on scene testified they saw Serra at the scene and heard her yelling, quote, "Look what happened. I knew this was going to happen."
She did nothing. So if doing nothing is legal, then she wins and the town loses. But she has a cell phone in her hand. The injuries and the need to assist, albeit, you know, not at her peril, bleeding kids, hanging out of cars, and what does she do? She has an active cell phone that she uses to go call and yell at someone.
The second teen on the stand also testified Serra saw beer cans when the teens were at her house, but in a statement to police last fall, he said Serra was unaware of any drinking.
I'm just not making any statements. It's a pending case, and I'm just not going to make any statements, okay?
The trial resumes tomorrow with more testimony from that police officer. He was the first officer to arrive on scene after that crash. Live at the South County Mobile Newsroom, I'm Neka Nwosu, Eyewitness News.